Hi, Tak again. We're on a curry theme this week, so I hope you enjoyed the last chicken curry. So tonight we're going to make a Thai chicken curry, a green Thai chicken curry requested by my daughter Lauren. So I've got the wok on. Okay, we use this product, which you can get in most supermarkets now, but it comes in a smaller jar. It's Maypoi green Thai curry paste. So that's what we're going to use. If you prefer, there's a red variety. So you can have red or green. So today Lauren's requested for the green variety. Right, so we need some oil. Our usual yin and yang, so we need our ginger and garlic again. So most of our curries will have garlic and ginger in. So yin and yang. So ginger and garlic. So there we go. So slice these ones up. Flavour. So we're going to cook our chicken. So again, a little oil in the pan. So I'll cut my chicken up earlier. So I'm just going to put that in there. I'll just brown the meat off nicely. Just to give the chicken a lovely colour. Okay, just going to put that in my sink over here. Just going to give it some nice browning colour. So I'm going to add my ginger and garlic in. Give it some extra flavour. So this dish has some more vegetables in it. So if you come over here, so I've prepared some broccoli, some celery, tomato, and some sugar pea snaps, or you can use monge too. So I'm going to add those in because that adds crunchiness. Okay, so we'll stir that around. So the chicken's got a lovely colouring now. And then we're going to add some liquid. So get my trusty kettle. Just gonna just cover it up. So that will cook the vegetables as well as the chicken at the same time. Okay, so let that steaming. And then you can add other vegetables in it if you like, for some colour. We're going to put some carrots in. So some carrots, cucumber, it's always nice. So carrots and cucumber. So basically whatever you have in the fridge. So let that heat up. A bit more liquid. Okay. Then we're going to add some sesame oil. And the green curry paste. I've got here. I'm going to put some in there. So we're just going to let this cook through. So this dish doesn't need thickening, so you won't need any corn flour or anything. And the paste itself is quite salty, so you won't need to add any extra salt. But if you like something more spicy, some fresh chilies are nice. So you can add some fresh chilies. There you go, some fresh chilies. And some green chilies. here, so that's cooking through lovely. Look at that. So again, I'm going to taste the flavouring. Salty enough, probably not spicy enough, so you can add some chili flakes. Maybe a little bit of pepper. So, I like tomatoes in this one as well, so for the redness, so you can add some tomato. And some onion. There we go. So you can put some Thai fish sauce in, but I don't have any at home, so we'll have to leave that ingredient out. So, and once it's all cooked through, make sure the chicken's cooked right through. So when it's all white, so if you're worried, just cut a bit and just see if it's all white through. Yep, it's all white through, so that's fine. So you don't want to overcook the vegetables either. You want the vegetables to stay a little bit crunchy. So the last ingredient we will put in is the coconut milk. So this is the one we use. So I've opened it. So we just pour a little bit of that in, and that just gives it a nice rich flavour. And thickens it up slightly. So. And there we have it. TG, I think it's 4-5, I can't remember on my menu. It's anyway, the TG something curry, but you can cook it with vegetables. You can leave the meat out with beef, with prawns, anything you like. So there it is, Thai green curry. So I'm just going to serve it up with some rice. Doesn't that look nice? Right. Right, let me taste a bit. Green Thai curry. Perfect. Thank you very much.